You're a superhero.
Hi, hello, namaskara, ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಮ welcome back to another video on my YouTube channel. So today I'm here at the Royal Enfield Meteor to show you guys the all new Meteor 3. So before getting started, if you're new to my channel, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell. So what are you waiting for? Let's go. Royal Enfield has found its replacement for the Thunderbird and Thunderbird X with the introduction of the Meteor 350. Meteor 350 is powered by a 349 single-cylinder air-cooled engine which produces a maximum of 20.2 horsepower at 6,900 rpm and peak torque of 27 Nm at 4,000 rpm. The Enfield Meteor gets round headlamps with halogen bulb and LED DRL and LED tail lamp, even that one is spherical. Both the indicators in the front and the rear are of halogen ones. The bike is available at 3 different variants. One is the Fireball and the other one is the Stellar and the other one is the Supernova. I'll be telling you guys more difference on these three later on. Meteor gets a 300 mm single petal disc in the front and 270 mm single petal disc in the rear, and it gets alloy wheels both in the front and the rear. The tires are of 100 by 90 in the front, 140 by 70 in the rear. Holding the engine is the twin down tube spine frame which connects to the telescopic forks in the front and twin shock absorbers in the rear. The fuel capacity of this bike is around 15 liters. Talking about the instrument console, it is semi-digital and it has a TFT display which shows the navigation, which interests me the most. Now I'll turn on the engine and show it for you guys. The other feature that I like is the way it turns on. How the Meteor 350 sounds like. It's almost similar to the Thunderbird. It's smooth. Talking about the variants, it's available in 3 different variants, that is the Fireball, the Stellar and the Supernova. This is the base variant. This is the Fireball variant. This is available in 2 colors, red and yellow. The main difference in these 3 variants are in the base model, that is the Fireball variant, you will get a black exhaust and you won't be having a backrest at the back, and this one looks more similar to the Thunderbird X. Talking about the Stellar variant gets a backrest and a chrome finished exhaust and a 3D logo which the base variant doesn't have. The difference in the Supernova variant is you will get a touring visor and a backrest, a chrome finished exhaust, and it gets a dual paint scheme. which looks more attractive. This one is available in two variants, two color variants, that is the brown and the blue. Now I'll be test riding the Supernova variant. So this is how it sounds. The riding position of this bike is so comfortable. You can ride for longer distances without any strain. Even the exhaust note of this vehicle is smooth. The price varies with the three variants. This one is the Supernova variant, and the base variant, that is the Fireball variant, is around 1.75 ex-showroom, and the Stellar edition is around 1.8 maybe, and this one, this Supernova variant, is around 1.9. The top weight of this bike is around 183 kgs, which is not that heavy. It feels too light while riding the motorcycle. See, as the handlebars are wider, you can take a easy U-turn. This bike is so comfort, man, seriously.